Good afternoon. This is Dr. Schulman. I'm gonna do the chapter 8 review and do a little bit for the test. Um, I just did the last one. It took me forever. I kept making mistakes until I hit number 7. Then I was getting them all right. So, in the last video, just you want to just skip until I hit number 7. I know that's not a homework problem, but I do all the homework problems for you. So, here we go. This is the review for chapter 8. I would recommend doing it because chapter 8 was really tough. And then the next video will be the exam. I'll go over the exam for this one. So if we go to your course, you go to modules, and we go to where it's all the way down to chapter 8 review. We're just going to click on it. And it goes to Open Pearson. And we have these problems. There's 20 problems to try. Notice that it's 0 points out of 22. You get unlimited attempts. It's due July 15th, so exactly 1 month from today. I'll just pick a random one. So here we go. 12 different video games showing drug use were observed. The duration times recorded with the times and seconds listed below. The requirements must be satisfied to test the claim that the sample is from a population with a mean greater than 85 seconds. So we want the mean. The first thing is like, okay, is it 30? No, we have less than 30. So we need a simple random sample. Either the population is normally distributed, n equals 30, or both. I believe this is all we need, but I'll show you why. So we'll open this in StatCrunch. And you can see that we only have 12 of these things. So I'm just going to do what? I'm going to make a quick histogram. And if I look at the data real fast, I have to start at 0. And since we're going all the way up to 600, I guess I gotta go up by like 100 each, right? This is obviously my outlier. Maybe if I change it and go up by 20 each. This does not look like it passes, right? Because we don't have 30. The other thing you could do is the QQ sort, which is taking like the z-scores and trying to normalize them. And yeah, that does not look right. So I would probably throw out that outlier too. So let's see if I was right. Nice work. All right, I'll try one more for you. Oh, sorry. Oops. The conditions are not satisfied. Uh, the sample size is not greater than 30. The sample does not be. I'm going with C. Why is there so many choices? I don't know. Okay, cool. Yay, I did it. And I'll do one more. So, claim is that smokers have a mean nicotine or cotinine level at 2.84 found. Sample size 926. This is your test statistic. Use technology to find the p-value. All right, first I want the null hypothesis. So the claim that has greater than, so the first one, it's that it's equal to the 2.84. And because that they want it greater than that, we're going to make it greater than 2.84. That's the first step. Magic. Now we need a test statistic. We could do this by hand, but remember, it's going to do this for us. So we go and we open StatCrunch. Ah, okay, that was intense. I've never done it this way before. So we can do stat, because we're doing means, we know it's a t-stat, one sample with summary. Sorry, I gotta move my floating head. The sample size is 926. Test statistic is, oh, they give it to us? Okay. So when they give you these pieces and not the data, you actually have to do this by hand. It's not so annoying. So normally we just drop these in, but they're not giving that to us. So that sucks. That's incorrect. Oh, okay. I thought they gave it to us, 56.049 sample size. All right, well, they have the mean here. So let's view the example. Identify the t statistic. They say it's 51.173, 51.73. Oh, I didn't do the right decimals. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I was like, there's no other way to find it without it. Okay. The p-value is, I guess we don't actually have to do anything. The p-value for the right side hypothesis test, assuming the null hypothesis is true, left area test. Oh, we have to use technology to get the p-value. All right, well, I'm fine with that. It's just weird when I don't have a mean. So they want me to use technology to find the p-value. Right, so how do they want me to get p-value based on this? Recall the p-value is the area to the right with a test like that, degrees of freedom rounding to 3 decimal places. It says use technology. All right. All right. Based on the p-value, there is significant evidence at a point to support the claim. We did it. Cool. This one you probably should have done by hand to get this. I really hate the way that they broke this down, but I'm not going to argue with it. Some questions are bad. It happens. Well, I hope this was helpful. Just let me know if you need help. I'm here. I'm going to do a video for the stuff on the exam, and then I'm going to do videos for Khan today. Take care.